Forgiveness Ritual. With the following forgiveness ritual, the yang can forgive the yin and the yin can forgive the yang. We can practice it alone or in the presence of the energetic healing partner or a representative for a topic, a soul, or the whole collective. This ritual has effects both at the level of relationships and friendships and at the collective level of consciousness, because our personal emotional energies are holographically connected to the global ones. Do we want to forgive honestly and completely? Or would we rather hold on to the old things so that we have a reason not to have to open up again? Because opening up is one of the biggest challenges on our growth path after an inner closing. Opening means feeling more. Opening means allowing vulnerability. Opening means being able to feel pain. Opening is not easy. When we forgive, we open ourselves. Do we want to forgive? Do we want to open up? Or does the dream of the closed feel better? We can only forgive when we are truly ready. If you are not when you first hear this, no matter what the topic, then hear the text again tomorrow, and again, until you are ready to feel it in your deepest being that you really want to forgive. And then sing your song of forgiveness. Maybe tears will flow, maybe you will find a soothing stillness within you, a new empty space that wants to be filled with new awareness. For the forgiveness of your inner yang or your inner yin, listen and feel this text. If it helps you, you can imagine various souls, one after the other, who are important to you in your life, whether today or from the past. They can serve you as placeholders for your inner yin or your inner yang. Speak to them if that feels right and good for you. I forgive myself and I forgive you. You are the inner part or the soul who hurt me in the past or whom I hurt. We hurt each other because we didn't know any better, or because we knew but didn't want to admit it to ourselves. I forgive myself and I forgive you. We didn't have the same awareness during our actions as we do now. We are growing and we see our mistakes now clearly. We feel them within us and we have learned from them. I forgive myself and I forgive you. It is important to us. I can feel my heart. Our connection is there. I forgive you and me. I trust you and me. We can make things better from now on. When we forgive each other, we are united in love. There is nothing stopping us. We forgive each other.